The first step for personalizing your course is adding your course name and number. You'll start by turning editing on by clicking the button in the upper right corner of the screen. When you turn editing on, you'll see that edit options appear to the right of all of the editable elements in the course. We'll click Edit here or the drop-down menu and choose Edit Settings. Next, you'll highlight the sentence and replace it with your course name and number if you like. Be sure, after you've entered the text, not to delete any spaces or lines that come after. Those have been added in order to provide some space on the page. On the other hand, if you would like space between the title and the row of buttons, you can simply add a enter. This I can see actually there's one extra enter. I just want to leave the cursor blinking just below the line of text. Now I'll go down and choose Save and Return to Course. And you'll see that your course name now appears here with a space or buffer above the buttons.